Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your anatomy final exam. To start, embrace active recall. Instead of passively rereading notes, actively test yourself. Use flashcards or simply quiz yourself on key terms and concepts. Try drawing and labeling anatomical structures from memory. Explaining complex topics aloud, as if teaching someone else, also significantly boosts retention. This method forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening neural pathways. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your study schedule. Reviewing material at gradually longer intervals helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. Don't forget the power of visual aids. Use anatomical models, detailed atlases, and high-quality educational videos to gain a three-dimensional understanding of structures and their relationships. Seeing the anatomy in different formats can make a huge difference. Consider forming a study group. Discussing challenging topics with peers and quizzing each other can clarify difficult concepts and expose different perspectives. Crucially, take practice exams under timed conditions. This simulates the actual test environment, helping you manage your time effectively and reduce anxiety. Analyze your results to pinpoint weak areas, then dedicate extra study time to those specific topics. Finally, prioritize your well-being. Adequate sleep, around 7 to 8 hours nightly, is crucial for memory consolidation and cognitive function. Take short, regular breaks during study sessions to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Staying hydrated and eating nutritious meals also supports brain health. Remember, a well-rested and nourished mind performs best. And hey, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.